So in this video today, I'm actually gonna take you guys really how you're going to create your own broker investment website. So, and if you're new on my YouTube channel, my name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online. I create videos how to become an affiliate marketer and some text tips online here on YouTube here. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to click the red subscription button and click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. In this video today, I'm gonna take you guys really how you're going to create your own Bitcoin investment website. So okay, there's a issue which I literally want to address it here. I don't know where I'm just sharing this with my viewers, to my with my subscribers. uh if you can check online very well, everybody here on YouTube has become a developer, become a Bitcoin investment website developer, become a script sellers and stuffs like that. So, and I've been receiving complaints from different people here and there about sometimes they will get script from somebody, and then sometimes the script will have issues, errors, bugs, and then no one will be there to solve the issues. So I'm actually going to address this. Like, you guys should be very careful from whosoever you purchase scripts from whosoever you purchase any kind of scripts, not only Bitcoin investment website, not only uh trading website or any online banking, but you have to be very careful from where you purchase your script, from whosoever you collect script from, because sometimes some of them, most of them, they are not developers, but they will just sell this. Maybe they might purchase the script somewhere else, and then whenever they found there's any bug into it, then nothing they can do with the script. Better to them to just sell the script out and then get back their money. You understand? So things have been happening like that. Like a lot of people on YouTube here, you purchase script with from there, and then at the end of the day, when you have bug, they cannot be able to solve it. So we have to just, like, you have to be very careful. Know whosoever you're purchasing script from, whether the person can be able to solve any bugs that arise from nowhere, and if the person can be able to solve the issue. So let's be very careful. So where this is just like a kind of broadly advice, like, we have to be very careful out there to whoever we're actually going to get script from. Then, are you sure the person is a developer? Are you sure he's the owner of the is the author of the script or not? You understand? So, well, let's get back to the video. If actually, where I've the introduction, I've earlier said that I'm going to teach you guys how you can be able to create your own Bitcoin investment website. So I'm gonna take you guys video on my assistant here on how to do this, and stay tuned. And if you like my video, please thumbs me up, and if you have any problem, you can drop it in the comment section below. You can follow me on IG at lowstech, and I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number in the description below, and then if you have any problem, you can contact me as well. And then for those who need scripts, I'm going to drop my number as well. You can chat me up on my WhatsApp, and then we discuss about the script. On if you need a website, you can also talk to me on WhatsApp, and then we run the deal. If you're not a developer and you need a website, you can contact me. I'm gonna drop my number in the WhatsApp. Sorry. So right now here on my system, so you can see here I want to actually take you guys really, as I earlier said, to how you can be able to create your own Bitcoin investment website using different front end and different back end. So I'm actually gonna connect my VPN to log in on my cPanel right now. So let me reload this so that I'll log in. I've already uploaded the files already on my cPanel, but I just want to take you guys video how you're going to do this. So I'm giving out the script free, so if you need a script, you can contact me. I'm gonna drop my WhatsApp number in the description below. So I'm going to extract it. Already extracting it. So let me just open the HTML file. Okay, so right now we have to create a subdomain. I've already uploaded the files into the main domain, so we'll have to create. Let me load it and see what will happen. Okay, yes, right now you can see this is the front end. You can see how it looks so friendly, it looks so smooth, amazing, it looks so sweet. Like, even your client also will love the site. It looks so smooth, understand? So look at this, how the front end it is. So if you really need it, you can contact me. It's free. I'll give it to you free. My WhatsApp. Just contact me on my WhatsApp. So you can see here, this is the front end. So I'm actually gonna take you guys really how you can be able to connect your backend to this script. So I've already installed the front end, so I'm just trying to click login and some stuff. So you can see it's not working for now because I haven't connected the backend with the front end. So let me load it. You can see it's working perfect. So first of all, you have to create subdomain is very important, so that where we can be able to upload the main back end in the subdomain. So let me log in. Okay, that's login already. So let's go back to the cPanel. We'll go to our domains. We'll click on domains. Then you can see here I've already added the subdomain, which is app and then dot the main domain. So let me click to the file so that it will take me back to the files, and see I've already uploaded the backend right now. Here it's already here. So now I have to, let me just delete it. Let me delete it so that I will show you guys how you can extract it and then start working on how you can be able to connect your database. So it's loading, so we have to delete the files. We'll delete the files. So I'm sorry, I think it's too heavy, so let me just delete it. Let me delete it normal. Okay, it's not working. I think it has already deleted. Let's wait and see. Let me click OK. Okay, so let me extract it right now. So it's extracting. I'm going to extract it and then connect the database and connect the logins and the registered button on the front end. So I'm going to extract it. Sorry, I'm still I'm still compressing it. Let me extract it right now. And don't forget to like my video. If you like my video, please thumbs me up, and if you have any problem, you can drop it in the comment section below. And to my returning subscribers, please, thank you guys for watching from the beginning at this moment. Thank you for subscribing, and to new viewers, please endeavor to splash the red subscription button. Okay, so I've clicked the main domain. Let's see what will happen. Okay, it shows that I haven't connected the database to, so that's why we're seeing this error. So right now we have to go back and create our own database. We'll create database. Okay, I'll click on my SQL database. So we have to create new database. We'll create new database, and then we create user. We'll go back and create user. We create user, and then generate your password. You have to generate your password and then use it. You have copied it, create, and then we have to go back to the files, to the environment, and then paste our password there. It's very important. We click on .env, which is environment. Then you click on password. You click on password. So I'll click on password. All right, it's loading, and then we have to connect, add the user and the database together. We have to add it and then give it a permission. So you make the changes together. So after making the changes, then we'll go back, copy the database user and the database, and then paste it. Okay, I'll paste it, so we have to save it, right? So we save it and refresh. Let's refresh and see. Sorry, let's refresh here and see. So right now it's requesting for database table, so we'll have to upload our own database. So after you contact me, you're going to get the back end and the front end. In order to connect it together, everything is free. You contact me, you're going to get the script. So we have to update the database. Let's go back to our cPanel. I'm sorry, a lot of tabs here, but I'm sorry, we're going to achieve this. Okay, so we'll go to my PHP admin. So from here we're going to upload the database. After you have gotten the script, the database, now you're going to get this database table and then upload it. We have to upload it. It's loading. We'll click on upload database. We'll click this and then upload it. So we have to import it. We import it. Okay, so it has imported, so everything is working perfect. So let's go back and refresh it. Let's go and refresh it and see what will happen. Let's go to the subdomain and then refresh it. I'm sorry, oh, my mouse is actually giving me some issues. Okay, it's done. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we'll click here and then refresh. Okay, let me refresh. So you can see it has opened. So right now we're going to connect the front end to this particular back end. So this is how we're going to do this. You can see how everything is working perfect right now. This is the front end of the back end, but let's change it to be on that other front end. So we click on the register and then copy this link, registered link, and then go back to the front end files, and then click on the home page, that is home page, and then we have to edit the logins and the registered, so that whenever someone click on the registered, it will register, it will take you straight to where you can be able to register, and when someone click on login, it will take the person. So right now we're looking for logins, then we search and then replace with that link we copied, the login link we copied. So we click on logins and then we have to replace the link in our codes here. So this is all we're going to do. Yeah, I'm pasting it here. I'm pasting it here. Okay, make sure everything is correct. Don't do any mistake here, because whatever any mistake you do here, that means it's not going to work out. If you need a script, I'm gonna drop my number in the description below. You contact me so that you get the script, and then you can be able to create your own Bitcoin investment website using the scripts, different front end and a different back end. So this method, you can also apply this method as well to create your own Bitcoin investment website using WordPress. It's very simple. You install your backend on your subdomain, and then make sure you connect your team on the front end, and then make sure you connect your logins and your registers button to lead to the back end. So this is what I'm doing right now here. So I'm going to replace all the logins and then save them. So it's loading. Okay, it's loading. All right, I'll make sure everything is perfect. I'm going to replace all of them. So right now I want to remove the verification because it's not that important, where it's a kind of to secure or for all these fake registrations. But then I want to remove it and then hit save. So after you have hit the save, then you go back and change your domain direct. So I've saved it. So let's go back and refresh the page and see what will happen. Okay, let's refresh it. It's loading and it's done perfect, right? And then let's click login or register. Okay, once you click, then it will take you to this page. Let's go back, then let's look for another login or registered and click and see what will happen. Refresh, then login. You can see it opened this page, right? So you can be able to register here, and then you click. So we have to go back and then work on our redirect, so that even though someone click the subdomain link, it will actually direct the person to the front end. So we're going to redirect our link. You can redirect from the app dot the main domain, then okay, we'll copy this and then go to the main domain. We'll copy it. Sorry, where is the tab right now? Sorry. Yes, we have to copy the main domain and then replace it. That means it will have to redirect to this link. It will redirect to this link to the front end. Whatever anything you do on the subdomain, it will redirect you to the main domain. So we have to save it. We have to add it. We'll click on add it. Don't forget to like my video. If you new on my YouTube channel, please enable to splash the red subscription button, click the bell icon, turn it on in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. So we have to add it. Click on add. It's loading. So right now we're done. So let's go and try it. Let's check it whether it's work perfect. Okay, let's check it. Let's go back and check it whether it's working. I'm sorry, it kind of too much of tabs here, so it's actually confusing me, but I'm just doing it for the sake of the video. Okay, so let's click here. This is where it's going to take us to the subdomain front end, but let's click on this. It will redirect back to the front end. This is how you work this perfect without having any issue. So you have to make sure you edit everything tallies with the back end so that it won't look different. Even though you can also change the color interface to make sure everything looks so same. It shouldn't look different. The front end shouldn't look different, and then the back end shouldn't look different. Make sure everything look the same so that it won't be suspicious. So you can see now I'm creating an account right now. Creating an account with the password. So I'm trying to put the password. Yes, right now I've created the account. You can see here. So we can see this referral link over there. I've created the account. It's working perfect. So right now we have to go back and log into the admin. We'll log into the admin and see what will happen. Log into the admin. So The admin that is very, very important, where you can be able to control your users, control investors, control whosoever registered on your site. So we're going to log into the admin. So put in the password, sorry, the email, and then the password. So I've forgotten the password. So here is very, very educative, where you can be able to change your password on the database. So you have to search for PHP password hash online generator. Then you type the password in. I'm just typing the password, testing. Then we'll copy this and then go back to our PHP, my PHP admin. Click on the admin. So the first line over there, then you look for the password encrypted, and then replace the codes there. You have to replace the codes there. You paste it and then save it, and then let's go back to login using that password we encrypted and see whether it will work out. So we'll click, let's go and log in and see. I'm sorry, as I earlier said, if you need a script, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number in the description below so that you can be able to get the scripts. So let's copy this, and then paste it on the password and see what will happen on the password, and then login. So you can see the admin has logged in successful. That is admin and it's working perfect. No any problem. You can log into admin, where you can be able to control your users, control everything that is happening on the platform. So you can see here, this is deposit, where you can be able to change, you can add your wallet address and how it works and everything. You can see it's working perfect here. So that is how it is. Nothing much. Here we can be able to create our own Bitcoin investment website. So you can see here, you just check everything, then you can click on settings, where you can set your website, site settings. There's a site settings here, and then we'll click. Should take us to the front end. You can see this is the front end. You see the front end is very, very, very okay. It looks so nice. You can see the notification, and then you click on login. It will take you to this place. Login on your own dashboard. You can copy the link and forward the link to whosoever you want to refer the person to register on the platform. So I'm just testing everything. You should see it by yourself as it's working perfectly. So that is how you can be able to create your own Bitcoin investment websites without any stress, without this, like without any coding, whether you don't have any knowledge about coding. But that is all about it. Thank you guys for watching.